In a vibrant rainforest, there lived a clever parrot named Pico. With feathers of emerald green and a beak as bright as the sun, Pico was known for his remarkable ability to mimic sounds. One day, Pico heard a beautiful melody played by a passing traveler. Enthralled, he memorized every note. Back at the village, Pico perched on a tree and began to sing. His melodious tune captivated the villagers, bringing joy and unity. Word spread, and Pico became a legend, the parrot who could sing like a human, reminding everyone of the magic hidden within nature.